everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to share with you a great new feature in the Everspruce app that is live now. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, and it would be great if you would subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you'll get notified every time a new video comes out. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you this great new feature in the Everspruce app. So in this new feature, you're going to be able to move multiple items and boxes in the app at one time. So this is going to be great for people who are moving or really doing a major reorganization in their house. So this is really, really great feature, and I'm finally so happy it's finally done. It took a while, but it's done. So we're going to log in to the Everspruce app, and then we're going to go to boxes, and then you're going to click a box that you want to move multiple items in. So here I have one box that is in my storage unit that I want to move back into my house. So I'm going to go ahead and click that box, and then I'm going to click the edit button. And then I'm going to click Move Entries in Box. So go ahead and click that. And then there's two handbags that are in my storage unit that I want to use this fall that I'm going to bring back into my master closet. So here you can see all the bags that I have in this box in my storage unit. And then you have the option to select multiple items that you want to move in that box. So then I selected the two handbags that I want to move. I'm going to click the next button in the upper right hand corner, and then I'm going to move these two bags. You can move them into an area or a box of your choice. So I'm going to move them into the box that I have labeled glass cabinet, where I store my handbags in my closet. So then here, select entries to move to this destination. So I'm moving these two handbags that were in a storage unit area into this glass cabinet into my master closet. I'm going to hit finish. Now, two entries were successfully moved. So now if I go to that glass cabinet, I can see that those two handbags are now located there. So now, before you can only move one item at a time, but now you can select one, two, how many items you want that are in a box or in an area that you want to move. So that's going to be really helpful for people who are moving or doing a big clean out in their house. So I'm really excited that this feature is now available on the Everspruce app. Okay, so that was a little demonstration how we move multiple items in a box and move it to another box location. So now I want to demonstrate how you can move boxes that are in an area and move them to a different area. So here I have logged into the Everspruce app, and I'm in the area section. So I want to move my camping gear that I have in my garage into my storage unit, since we won't be doing much camping for fall and winter here in Seattle. So now that's items I don't need accessible in my garage right now. So I'm going to move them to my storage unit. So I'm going to click garage as one of my areas. And then I have my camping box 1 and 2. So I'm going to hit edit, and then I'm going to move entries in area. So I'm going to click that button, and then I'm going to select my camping box 1 and camping box 2, click next, and then it's going to ask me where do I want to move these boxes now, and I want to move them to my storage unit. So I want to click my storage unit, and now we can see these two camping boxes are going to this destination, the storage unit. So I'm going to click finish, upper right hand corner, and then now I'm going to click, and I can see in my storage unit, these two camping boxes are now moved there. So they're out of my garage and have been moved into my storage unit. So that's easy. So I love this feature that you can move multiple things and items and boxes in one sitting. You don't have to do one by one anymore. So the multiple feature is really, really helpful, especially for me that it's doing a lot at one time, this time of year when I'm moving a lot of things around in my home. So I hope you feel that this feature is as great as I do. I've been working on this one for a while, so I'm really glad that it's done. Okay, so the last demonstration I want to do today is a real quick one. It's just going to show you how you can delete multiple items now that are in an area or a box. So this is going to be super helpful that you don't have to delete items one at a time, things that you have gotten rid of. So I love that you can select a bunch of stuff and just delete them from the app, things you have gotten rid of. So here, again, just log into the app. I'm in the area section, and now I'm going to go to my holding area, which is my in-house elevator. And then there's a box that I have that I called my temporary holding box, which I use for stuff that I'm not sure I want to put, or I know I want to give to donation or just get rid of. So here I just have 3 items in the box right now, and then 2 of the items I have gotten rid of. So I'm going to go ahead and edit, and I'm going to say delete entries in box. Delete entries means I can delete multiple items. If delete entry is just you're deleting one item. So delete entries in box. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the 2 items that are no longer in my possession and click next, and then click next. And then it's going to tell you to type the word delete just to make sure that you want to delete these items, because I put this in the app just because I don't want people deleting things and then like, what happened to the item? Because once you delete an item, it's gone. It won't be saved in the app anymore. It's going to be hard to retrieve. So this is just an extra measure that I put in that you really want these items deleted. So I'm going to type in the word delete, and then click delete. And now those items are no longer saved in the app. So when you delete stuff, I put that extra precaution in, warning for the users of the app. But yeah, so now you can delete multiple items. It's pretty great. Gosh, it was so frustrating at the beginning when the app was made that you could only do one at a time, but I'm glad we're progressing and making it more user-friendly for people who are using the app. So that was it. That was the video for today. I hope you find this new feature as amazing as I do, and I hope you get started organizing your home using the Everspruce app and start decluttering your life. I'll see you in my next video. Happy organizing! Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.